in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow camera access on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the little Apple icon up in the menu bar, and then you want to go down and select System Settings. You want to select on the left panel where it says Privacy and Security. And then on the right sidebar, you want to locate where it says Camera and select that. So a list of apps that have requested camera access should appear down here. Find the app that you want to give permission to and then select it and then toggle the option on for the on position. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.